Hello, friends, and welcome back again to our channel K2N Family. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of God. Well, we are sorry. We are sorry for the reason is that we did not upload so many videos, any recipes. You might have noticed की 2 weeks झाले आम्ही काही अपलोड करू नये.
Yeah.
आमगे काही व्लॉग येऊ नये, रेसिपी
Many
येऊ नये.
people were asking me why you all are not putting videos, what happened and all. And I told them what was the reason, but yeah, you all did not know what was the reason. So
Yes, there was a very tough time going on in the family. We had somebody, a dear one, who passed away in within the family, and it was very hard to take because it was a very young person who just passed away. And in that only season, what happened was the week following week after, I also was not well. I was hit by the virus that's going on around, and it just took me down very bad. I think so. First time in my career of my working career, I've been off sick for a week. I just could not. I went for a one of when my shift begins. The first day when I went, and I was like, in my office we have heating and everything, but still I was shivering. Like I was shivering and everything was, and I was getting more training for some other job that I was doing for my step up. So I could not even concentrate doing that thing at that point of time. So that day I just remember my manager knew, like, okay, he was keep on asking me like, what's happening, Casty? You're right. You're wearing jacket, like, when it's warm inside the office. So could not take it. I came home, and the day when I went to bed that day, I think so it took me the whole 1 week just to get better. Um, and in that, like, Nadia also had to struggle a lot for herself because we are both dependent on each other for our needs, like for when she goes to work or when she. So when I was not well, she had to do everything by herself, like, though mama was there, but still, like, what we tried to do is, like, put less pressure on mama, and we tried to do things for her, so she had to
just
go to.
because she's there, things were a little
Yeah,
easier
it
for us.
much easier, very much easier, because at least भुरग्यां चोवपा पडटी मातशी चोवपा वताली, लायक, सगळे लोक भुरग्यां ती चोयताली, आनी भुरग्यां सगळे लोक चोवपूय सारकी इजी न्ही, लायक, आनी मामा शी इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग ऑन अ एज, सगळे लोक तेजी हातीन दिवपाकूय आमकां बरें दिसना, पण तेन्ना आमी सारके, लायक, आमचें जायना जालें सारकें. आनी तरी पण नादिया, लायक, कामाकूय वच, मागीर घराको येवन तें कर, आनी हांव कांय करपाकूय पावना, कांय ना, लायक, इट वॉज व्हेरी हार्ड. आणि तिथूनही काय म्हणत, आम्ही तुका सांगला, लायक, वी हॅड अ ट्रेजेडी इन फॅमिली, like, somebody passed away. So that was a hard moment also, like, ते कोण तेन्ना तो हेंच येन जालो, कितें म्हणटा तो.
We were in some other zone only
हे-
because for me it was like something after a very long time. I lost someone after a very long time. Like I lost my dad, my mother-in-law, but then I couldn't even attend their funeral. And now this thing was like I have to go to that funeral, and I don't know how would I react or what. It was going on in my head again and again and again and again. Thoughts were coming in my heart. So yeah.
it was, yeah, it was a emotional roller coaster at that point of time. And as Nadia is saying, तेगे दाडा जेन्ना भायर पडलो पळय, तेन्ना तेका वचों मेळना गोंया. वचों मेळना कित्याक बिकॉज इट वॉज कोवीड टायम दॅट टायम. आनी कोवीड टायमार कितें दाडा did not pass by COVID. He was a natural death for him. But it was due to COVID. The official said, like, if we keep the body, then we have to keep it like as a COVID body, then we'll have to. So problem. We never wanted that kind of things to be treated to him. And then travel is up a problem, Natale. So it was so hard for her. Like, she could not go to see her dad because, you know how hard it will be. Like, your parents have passed away and you can't even give a final goodbye to Kosan Supermana. So Nadia was like completely broke down that time. Like, दाडा को खूप क्लोज झालो ते, आणि आजू केन्ना अशें चिंतल्या लागून तेका तें आता. आनी सेकंडली मुगेली मामा भायर पडली तेन्ना तेन्नाय तेका येवपा मेळना. तेन्ना किशा जावपा आहलोलें, like, she was pregnant that time. So she could not attend a close family, like, आमगे घराको सारके आहाय तेंका वचोन गुड बाय करतलो म्हण फायनल. And after this, like, okay, that this has happened, they the funeral attend korpa uspa ye korpa like they so all memories take to that whole zone, she was in that zone only, like, kaise kite ka, like, like so all the moti balale, and it was very hard moment for us. So I'm gonna let her cry as much as you want to, like, because at least when you cry, those emotions goes out. And I feel like, guys, it's very important. Like, we talk to each other. We don't have enough of good people around. So Saram ko baby ki jata. We don't have good people around, like, that we can share and talk. But there are people, like, who cares and they want to listen as well for your pain. That's why I always say, like if I have some pain or I have some worries that within me, Nadia is my wife. I always share with her. I talk to her. But there are certain things, like, my emotions probably might not get across to her. Like, she might take it like, it will be like, on a same level. Same with me. Like, I take the emotion, they might call, like, I will take it like, okay, now baby, ऐसी नहीं तैसी नहीं बोले तो then neutralize होता. But there is beyond that emotion, no, that somebody wants to talk and like express and want to get it out, and we need that one friend, one person within the family. Like, Kizata, Yanna, Nadia Makisande, Nadia has a very good friend of hers where she shares with her. And he takes Sangtes all. And they talk and she gets all her emotions out and she expresses everything. And sometimes she does talk to my sister also. Joyce ko bolete hain. So she has like people. And same with me, I don't have a lot because I'm very, very reserved. Like, reserved inside, I'm very scared to put things out because Mak zalo ha pahili. Like, I have expressed myself, I have opened myself, and people have taken advantage of it. Like, being expressive and being talking. Like, I'm telling my log judge ko tay. Mak te isko judge ko tay, no, tay na may te mak tras tay. Like, judge kitko judge ko to gay maka. Kitko handole. So that's why you need one good person, a good friend, a good family member, where you can express, you can talk, and they don't judge you. I feel like, तुझे friend कौन ही है तुझे ले, like, they should be there for you. They should listen to you rather than एक friend को बोले था हम मुझे friend एक close friend माकी सांगतो नहीं, and his personal thing, I don't come and tell Nadia about it. Like, सांगू अपने कि रहता है personal तो मक सांगता, he want to ease himself, and probably I can understand because if I tell this to Nadia, probably she'll have a different mindset of to judge him. Like, tege kiti ha are age isko no mane aisa tale. So we don't try to bring that. I keep it to myself and we try to talk, make it easy because when we share, when we talk, no, things becomes very easy and we never know. Konage moti kiti hoita, kit cholta, kit cholna. So many people have a lot of stresses in life. कितली जायती लोकां याद आना every happy face type, I mean, it's not a happy face. There are a lot of sad things also within within the person's life. जायती पण दुःख असतं लोकां खूप दुःख असतं, and we have to understand that pain. But long story short म्हळ्यार इतलेंच की अरे हे 2 week आमकां like, it was the whole month actually that was there. We tried to manage, like, किती किती कोत्ताले मध्ये अशें try to get out मध्ये तिथून बाईगे बर्थडे येयलोलो. ते बाईगे बर्थडे तितून जायन गेलो पण इट वॉज नॉट लायक दॅट तितली आसपा आमकां आमी जितली चिंतलोले ते भशेन करतले तें जावना तें. पण time has gone. What is meant, it will happen in this world. We have to get along and we have to carry on our life. All I'm saying is, we have to support each other. We have to be there for each other. And what we have to think is about first, we have to think about our loved ones. There are many people to hate for us in life, but there is even that one person who loves you more than that will affect that person's life. So anything that we do in life or anything that we want to do in life, we always think about our loved one first. What it matters is they who love us unconditionally, no matter what. If anyone says anything, या कोणी किती मोठा आहे नाही कोणाकू, it's not because they hate you or they don't like you. It's just probably maybe it's the way of expression to make you आणि आणि ऑप्शन ना किती समज माहिती का म्हणून पण त्या भाषेत सांगप आसता but I don't know what to say in that. But it is It is something like that, guys. Yeah. काय कळना कितको सांगपा पळय ते. There will be some eventually I will not bring it up, but when we go along with this YouTube, I will talk sometimes about certain things about how life needs to really to be and how we really feel like we need to support each other. Yes, but for this all these weeks that we could not upload anything and we could not come with anything, any of the vlogs or any of the recipes. We are really sorry about that. I hope you all will understand for us for ह्या सिच्युएशनाक कित्याक आसताय प्रॉब्लम जायते पाटी या वी कॅनॉट सगळे कितें म्हूण सांगतलो प्रॉब्लम कित्याक एवरी टायम आसताय न्हू लायक इट इज पार्ट ऑफ जर्नी बट येस वी आर स्ट्रॉंग वी आर गेटिंग बॅक and we will manage to come back again and we will try to do things back again as normal as what we can. Yeah. आता व्लॉग बी स्टार्ट केले आता करपा लागतलो आता व्लॉगात येतले आमगेले रेसिपी येतल्यो ट्राय टू पुट रेसिपीज व्लॉग्स एवरीथिंग टुगेदर जाय जावपा आनी इट्स व्हेरी गुड बट थँक यू फॉर ऑल दिस टाइम बिकॉज मेनी पीपल डू केप्ट ऑन आस्किंग अस बाबा तुम्ही ब्लॉग घालू ना तुम्ही किती जाले ब्लॉग करू नये तुगे रेसिपी येनाय Kizale K2 and family, why you all are not coming? So that was the reason. And for that, we are really sorry. I hope you all will understand with this situation, guys. Yeah. And Makta, it's just going to mog news so that's so. Yeah. And we'll be back with the new vlog now. Yeah. Let's begin the journey again. Until then, stay safe. God bless you. And my final word to say, adios.